Hey everyone, welcome to Geeksvana. Today is one of those exciting days where we have news of an official DJI product launch just around the corner. What can it be? Is it a drone? Is it a plane? It probably isn't Superman. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And to get the latest drone news first, click the notification bell. Let's take a look at DJI's brief teaser trailer and find out. Well, there you have it. That was clear, wasn't it? The video does tell us the launch is on June the 11th, so we really do not have long to wait for official word of what is dropping. However, there are quite a few hints in the video, which we can work to break down right now. The launch tagline is "Learn to Win," and the video shows lots of little semi-exposed wires and connectors. This could mean there'll be a construction element or an interchangeable part of the new product. Is this a drone? We don't think so. If you look closely at parts of the trailer, you will notice what appear to be wheels. Could this be a land-based vehicle of some type? If you look back to the leaked pictures of the DJI Mavic 2, you will notice a wheeled product in the background, almost resembling one of those Trax toys from the 80s. Could this be the new product? Certainly the Mavic 2 and the Osmo Pocket in the same picture both eventually launched looking similar to this old picture. There are also other fun elements in the video which might explain a few things, including the camera, which you would expect from a DJI product, and the circular light used for the date reveal, which looks to be around some kind of tubular switch, possibly the battery compartment, possibly a power switch. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below, and we will of course keep you fully updated with any news we have on this.
Please remember to like and subscribe.